Next to me is a customer's F40 M135i, and today we're going to be doing a cost-effective full transformation on this car. Unfortunately, when this car got released, people absolutely hated it because it replaced the legendary F40 M140i, and people looked at this thinking it looks like a dog, it doesn't look great, and it's got a 2-litre engine. This car's already had a few little styling touches, but today we're going to take it up a level. It has got a chameleon windscreen, which is slightly questionable, but we're not going to talk about that. These wheels, terrible, but if you watched our last video, you'll know what we're going to be swapping these for. Let's show you them now. These are brand new AUTOID AU10 wheels. Look absolutely savage in satin black. Kai, how much are these?
They are £899 excluding tyres.
Bargain, absolute bargain. Next up, the body kit. Gloss black Zaero splitter, Zaero side skirts, and a very aggressive rear diffuser. How much is all this, Kai?
£549 for the full kit, or £199 if you want to buy the parts individually.
Bargain. Intake. Ramair Pro Ram intake. How much is this, Kai?
£716.
That's quite expensive, actually. Is it actually 700 quid?
716 if you buy two. Please hold.
What, so 350 quid then?
No, £358.
Bargain. Set of magnet plates. These are going to let you take the plate on and off. How much are these, Kai?
50 quid.
Bargain. Replacing the chrome M badges for some gloss black badges. How much are these, Kai?
£65.
Not a bargain. Why are they so expensive?
Genuine BMW.
Genuine BMW taking a mick. We're going to be changing these out for some M Performance gloss black front bumper inserts so it matches the badges. How much are these?
£129.
Not a bargain. We're about to make this car a lot louder with a Milltek system and some Cerakote black tips. How much is all of this, Kai?
That would be £1,229.
That might seem expensive, but in reality, when it comes to exhaust, it's actually not. It's actually a bargain. My lovely assistant Kai is now going to tally up the full build now so you don't have to work it out. That would be a total of £3,229. Which in the grand scheme of things, to completely transform a car is a bargain. Let's get started now. Kai, we're going to get started by having a quick race. Who can fit the side badges the quickest, me or you? You're probably going to beat me because you do it every day, but let's get started now.
I ain't scared, mate. Might go make a coffee.
Wait, Kai, where's all your tools?
I actually don't know. Whoa.
Where's your fishing wire?
Top cabinet on the top far left back.
He's lying. He set me up here. Can I borrow that tape?
Yeah, one sec.
This ain't fair, because he knows where all the tools are.
What did you need?
I want a bit of fishing wire.
Oh yeah, come. Let's just...
So whenever you're changing a badge, it's best practice to line it up with a little bit of masking tape, because one, when you remove it, you're not going to damage the paint, and two, you can see exactly where the new badge has got to go. Oh, he's done me. Well, the race is out the window, but this is how you do it.
You're giving up already? Loser's making coffee as well.
Straight off, mate. Where's the badge?
It should be up there.
Where?
On the toolbox.
Where? Oh, he's nicked them both. Where is it?
Oh wait, I might have picked them both up, sorry. Oh yeah, I did, my bad.
Oh yeah, of course you did, yeah, sweet. Yeah, he's done me. He cheated though.
Right,
you actually cheated.
Go make that coffee, 2 sugars.
Only 65 quid. That is really expensive for a little badge, isn't it? BMW take the piss with that. This is not a budget mod. This is not an affordable mod at all. Next up, we're about to make this a lot louder. What are we doing, Kai?
We are going to fit this. And if you look closely, well, bigger than your head, isn't it? Nearly.
Sound of the Prius. Not even a Prius. Oh yeah, nah, sorry. Come check the G90 out quickly. So I know this is a little bit of a detour, but the M5, I've just put a full carbon fibre bonnet on it, and it looks absolutely savage. It's got herringbone weave, Tell me now that that don't look 10 out of 10. So we're gonna get started by removing the stock intake. And when I say we, I mean Kai, so Kai's gonna show you how to do it.
Yes.
What's this part that you're removing at the moment, buddy?
The air duct, intake duct system.
I'm gonna do you a favour and just get this unplugged ready for you.
Thank you very much.
This is just a MAF sensor that we've just unplugged.
That was very helpful.
I'll start undoing this bit here for you.
Thank you.
Because if we work together, we can have this done in no time.
We could. Should have some PP on, mate. Where's the gloves? So he used to always moan at me in videos, wear gloves, wear gloves.
Let me get the gloves.
Yeah, get gloves on.
Go on, I'll take this bit out.
Oh, cheers. Careful, that's
got
quite
that
heavy. You got that, yeah?
Yep. Oh, he's quite heavy, actually. Sweet.
Sweet.
Oh, he's got a little
Got a little panel filter in there, a little foam one.
little foam panel filter in there.
Yeah. So
Let's get the new one in.
nice upgrade.
I'm gonna transfer the MAF sensor out.
Well, thank
whilst
you.
you build the heat shield.
Yeah, nice. Thank you.
So you just want to remove the factory MAF sensor. Keep that in a safe place because that is going to be going into the new intake. Also, we've got a new apprentice. This is Sam's new dog. This is Ozzy the puppy. So he's just running around the office. So far, he's chewed up 4 MacBook charging cables, but he's doing pretty well so far. We're going to have him on the tools with Kai in 2 to 3 weeks. I love him though, look at him.
Ozzy.
Just look at him, he's so cute. Ozzy, do you want to chew a Ramair intake? No, right, we'll take him upstairs. So now we're getting the heat shield popped in. That literally just clips into place, ready for the new cone filter and everything to go in.
So I'm just getting the cone fitted, which is the final piece, just like that. Just gonna make a few adjustments and it's all done.
So I've just fitted all the intake, literally only took me like 5 minutes. Well simple, quick and easy job. We'll show you what it sounds like in a minute. Gonna get the car up on the ramp now to make a little bit more noise because we're gonna do the exhaust. But I'm gonna let Kai do the exhaust and I'm gonna actually fit the Zaero body kit whilst he's doing that. Now I'm covered in absolute one filthy boy. We're gonna need a bit of quick detailer on that, Bo.
Sweet, so the exhaust is all fitted other than the exhaust tips, which are going to fit after the diffuser. So what's next, Kai?
Now we need to get the car down, get this boring thing off, get the new one on, and then we can get the tips all lined up. We're looking much better. So as you can see, the diffuser is now all on. Really easy install, just like all of the Zaero products, and the fitment is perfect. But now we've got that on, we can get the new Cerecloak Black tips on, get them all lined up, and then we'll move over to the front of the car.
Previously, this customer did have some polished tips on the old Cobra system, but with the Milltek system, he's opted for the Cerecloak Black. And I think with the rest of the gloss black details on this car, it's going to look so good.
Now just for the final touch, going to get that nice Zaero gel badge on. And just like that, the rear end is now complete.
That looks so much better.
So now we're going to go over to the front, get the bumper off, ready for the Magna Plate kit, and then we'll also be getting this lovely Zaero splitter installed as well.
So the bumper needs to come off for the Magna plates, but while Kai's getting the tools ready, look how nice the new Ramair intake looks. Come on in, Kai.
Come on then, let's get this bumper off.
So after you've got your bumper off, it's actually very easy to fit magnet plates. As you can see, Kai's doing a little bit of prep work by rubbing down the inside of the bumper. Essentially, what you have to do is just stick the magnets on the inside of the bumper, stick the magnets to the plate, and then that way, on, off, on, off. Whilst Kai's doing that, I'm gonna replace these trims and make them gloss black. A few clips, pop this out, pop the new one in. We're full steam ahead, ready for the Zaero body kit, aren't we, Kai?
Yeah, I gotta get this off.
Oh, at the moment, yeah, this customer
has
Velcro plates, which is not the nicest of look once you do remove it. So we've got to remove that, then stick it on. So you want to unclip these. We've loosened back the clips behind the bumper, and then they will pull out like so. And we're going to be swapping them out for the gloss black ones, and then they will literally just push into place. Same again on this side. Let's get these bad boys clipped in. That's all clipped in. So the magnet plates have now been fitted. I'm just gonna give you a quick demonstration. On, off, on. See how they just snap into place? Then it's a few bits of the body kit, tyres, wheels, ready to show you what it looks and sounds like. So the tyre man's just come, so it's time to get these not great looking wheels off, ready to get the new AU10s on. We were about to pop the bumper on, but then he turned up, so priorities. Smooth. New wheels are fitted and they look absolutely amazing. We need to give them a quick little wipe over because it's got some of the tyre grease on it. So I'm going to get that done, get the other wheel on now, and then we'll show you what they look like shortly, but we still need to do the front splitter. It's time to get the Zaero splitter fitted. One thing to note, which happens loads when people are buying Zaero stuff, they get it and they're like, oh no, it's a bit scratched. Because if you have a look here, you can see that, like, it looks like it's got scratches on it or something, but you've just got to take the cellophane off. Like, it sounds stupid, but I would say at least once a week, we get people messaging us thinking it's got scratches before you've took the cellophane off. But look how fresh that is. That's the whole point. That's why it's got cellophane on. Anyway, let's get it fitted to the vehicle. So earlier, we removed all of the bolts. I'm just gonna line this up and then I'm just gonna drop it on the ramp. So I'm just running a line of 3M tape because that's gonna help us get it on a little bit easier because it will hold it into place. So now I am just trying to get an edge up like so. Don't peel it all the way off, otherwise you won't be able to line it up. So what I'm gonna do is just get a corner one in. Now they're both up. I can remove the 3M tape, peel off all of the 3M tape. And now you wanna stick the splitter up, apply a bit of pressure, and then that's gonna hold it into place so you can get rid of your trestle. Now we're just gonna get the rest of the bolts in. Front split is all fitted. Kai's now going to crack on with the side skirts and we're very, very close to finishing.
So just the final touches now. Get these gel badges on. Perfect. So now we've just got to drop it down, torque up the wheels, get the top of the bumper all buttoned up. Then you can see the final product.
So the F40 is now complete and I think it looks much better. I'm going to give you a quick run through now and show you the parts that we've fitted, and then we'll do a little bit of a sound test on the new intake and the exhaust. So starting off on the front end, it's now all been blacked out with the Zaero gloss black splitter. Nice aggressive one-piece splitter. As you can see earlier, it was nice and easy to fit, but it's not too invasive to the point where you're gonna hit it off straight away. This car still is on stock springs, so if you were lowered, it obviously would be a little bit lower to the ground, but it doesn't bring the front end of the car down too much. On the side here, we have got the gloss black inserts. They've just helped get rid of all of that silver look that we had before, and now it's all black and it all matches in perfectly with the AU10 wheels. I think they look so good against the white. I think it just complements the car perfectly. And one thing I do really like is these BMW hot hatches have massive brake calipers and they expose the brake caliper very, very nice. Wheel fitment is beautiful, perfectly in line with the arch. Tiny little bit of poke on the back, but it looks very smart. Me personally, I would want to drop that gap down a little bit, but this customer didn't want to go too low. He said he might lower it in the future, see how he gets on and stuff like that, so I completely understand. But yeah, these wheels look 10 out of 10. Little black badge down here, pretty self-explanatory. Along with the Zaero side skirts. Simple design, follows the line of the front splitter. Pretty much just a straight piece with a very light insert just down here with the little Zaero sticker on it. He's got a spoiler lip already and he was happy with that, so he's kept that. But we have replaced the rear diffuser for what I think is probably the best diffuser available for the F40. Very, very aggressive. Now, inside the diffuser as well, we've got a set of Milltek Cerakote black tips. And I think the back end of the car looks very, very nice. I really like the look of the back end of the F40s. It reminds me a bit of a G81 Touring because it's got like the same style lights, but I've got one small last little mod which is going to pop on this customer's car. It's just some little AUTOID decals, so let's get one now. Now it's time to give it a quick rev and show you what the Milltek OPF back sounds like. This is a valve system, so we're going to start in comfort, give it a few revs, and then flick it into sport where the valves will open. So the exhaust sounds much better. It's not too loud, perfect for daily or anything like that. But now let me show you the intake, because the intake sounds pretty crazy. And lastly, we've got the Magna plates, like so. It's been a nice easy transformation on this car. All of the parts have been relatively affordable. If you like any of these parts or you want to take your car up a level, head over to the AUTOID website now, choose shop by car, find your car, and we're going to have loads of parts available for it. And if you want anything, use code YouTube5 and you're going to get a discount. And on that note, if you've enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and a comment and subscribe, because we're so close to 70k subs now, and we'll see you guys next Sunday. Thank you for watching.